Want to go into the developer mode. What you do is you press the home button on your remote control, and then you go to your apps page, and then the documentation on how to install Tizen Brew. It says that you should enter the code 12345. Well, my first question was, where should I enter it? And the simple answer is, you just enter it once you open the app. You don't have to click on search. You don't have to click on the settings icon. Just type in 1235. And that should open this window, which is the developer window. And in here, you can simply turn this on. And then you input 127001. So I'm going to do that. And that's pretty much all we have to do on the TV. And now we can turn it off, can turn it back on. And now for the next step, we'll go over to the computer and download something to a USB drive. Okay, back on the documentations page, you're gonna click this link or the one I'll put in the description to download this user widget.zip file. Once you've downloaded it, you're gonna move it to your USB drive. Mine's called Seminar, and then you're gonna double click it. So it unzips. Now you can delete the zipped file. And from here on out, we're gonna go back to the TV, plug in the USB drive, and it should automatically install this demo app. Okay, so a notification just popped up. We're gonna click OK. It just said that the installation is already completed. Now we're gonna go to apps. I'm gonna look for this. Here we go. Tizen Brew installer is now loading. Okay, and one thing you gotta do is you gotta restart, but keep holding the power button until you see the Samsung logo. And that just ensures that you actually do a full restart. Once you've done that, you can go back to the apps tab. You can launch the Tizen Brew app. Okay, so as you can see, I've just launched the app, didn't press anything. I just had to reboot my TV for a couple of times. I don't know why, but after like 3 reboots, it worked. It just said fetching packages and then package installed. Okay guys, we're in the Tizen Brew Tizentube. We're gonna install the Tizentube in just a second. I just want to show you what I pressed here. I just went back to the apps, and that is where it appeared, the actual app store. And then just click this and you'll be redirected to this app. So now we're just gonna click Tizentube, which is what we want. I don't know if you have to sign up. I don't want to sign up. But now we have the real YouTube app, which looks way better than the one on Android. I might say. Okay, so but you can't get recommendations here. Let's just try music. Without ads. Sponsor block as well. Okay, you can see that's a different one because of Tizen Brew right here is blue, and the other one was not blue, it was orangey. Okay, so we don't need these anymore. I think if we take away the USB drive, they will disappear. What I'm gonna do is I will remove these, or the actual app, and now we can just enjoy YouTube with this app right here.